Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. If you want to get automatic updates on our new uploads, please subscribe to Vedaghosham channel, click all notifications and press the bell icon. In the part 6 of Yuga Dharma, we saw how prana or life force exists in different parts of the body of the human being in each of the yugas. And in this section of Yuga Dharma part 7, we will see the Kali Yuga Samarthya, or the ability of Kali Yuga to cause changes in the situation, behavior of human beings. Jito dharmo hyadharmena satyam chaiva nritena cha जिताश्चोरैस्तु राजानः स्त्रीभिश्च पुरुषाः कलौ. This shloka explains that in Kali Yuga, adharma, which is moving away from the path of righteousness, will easily conquer the human minds, and adharma will win over dharma, and the lie will win over the truth. Jita choraistu rajanaha. The thieves will win over the rulers and steal as much money as possible from the government or from the Raja. Stribhischa purushah kalau. Women will control all the men. सीदंति चाग्निहोत्राणि गुरुपूजा प्रणश्यति कुमार्यश्च प्रसूयन्ते तस्मिन् कलियुगे सदा. Very important shloka which we can correlate now, which says that सीदंति चाग्निहोत्राणि, सीदंति च agnihotrani. People will stop doing agnihotra. Do you know that compared to the ancient times, where there were lakhs of people who were doing Agnihotra as per Sanatana Dharma, which is a daily compulsory duty, today we have only 160 Agnihotris which are remaining in India. Guru Puja Pranashyati. Puja of Guru or respect for Guru will slowly diminish. Kumaryascha Prasuyante. Unmarried girls will get pregnant. Tasmin Kali Yuge Sada. All these things will happen in Kali Yuga always. Sarve Brahma Vadishyanti Samprapte tu Kalau Yuge Nanutishtanti Maitreya Shishnodara Parayanaha. Here Parashara Rishi is addressing Rishi Maitreya, and he mentions that in Kali Yuga Sarve Brahma Vadishyanti. They say that I am the knower of everything. I know everything. I know the Brahman. I know Vedas. I know everything. But actually Nanutishtanti Maitreya Shishnodara Parayana. They are only living for their stomach and their sexual desires, while there is no actual reality behind what these people say. Yada yada satam hanihi veda marganusarinam tada tada kalir vriddhi anumeya vichakshane. Whenever you see that the number of people who are doing anushtanams is reducing, veda marga anusarinam, the one who follow the Vedic path, if you see that when there is a hani or decrease of these kind of people, you should understand immediately tada tada kaler vriddhihi. The Kali Yuga is advancing in full force. Anumeya, you anticipate and understand that Kali Yuga is advancing. Parannena mukham dagdham hastau dagdhau pratigrahat mano dagdham parastribihi brahmashapah kutak kalau. Very interesting shloka which says that people will burn their mouth by eating outside. This means that cooking will slowly stop in the house, which was supposed to be a very major auspicious duty of every family, and people will eat outside and they will get the problems associated with hastau dagdhau pratigrahat. People will with open hands accept any kind of money and earn more papa. Mano dagdham parastri bihi. Men's mind will go on multiple ladies. And Brahma Shapa Kutau Kalau. Previously, in one of the audios, I mentioned about how the curse, if at all, if somebody gives because of the tapas, it will quickly act, while in Kali Yuga it won't act. The same thing is being told here. Vivahana kalau dharmya na shishya guru samsthitihi na dampatya kramonaiva vanhi devarchana kramaha. Marriage will not be a mandatory rule in Kali Yuga, as people will start in live-in relationship without marriage. Shishya and Guru will not mutually respect each other. There is no concept of living together as a married couple, and naiva vannihi devarchana kramaha. The puja or worship by homas or agni or devata puja will slowly diminish, and this is how the Kali Yuga is predicted by rishis thousands of years back. What do we take from all these predictions? The same way, when a tsunami is announced, we take actions to protect ourselves. The same way, we need to safeguard our dharma and not leave a single chance to defend or protect ourselves from falling into these categories which are described by the rishis. In the next video, we will see some more such interesting predictions. Namo Namaha.